Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Pittsburgh Unboxing in a Bag. Already opened it slightly while I did the live video. You can watch the live video. It's my haul video, and then I have a very special Pittsburgh unboxing for the channel members. Hi, Bellamy. I'll post that later tonight. I've got a lot of videos to post. So this came today. And the thing I did with the channel, a very important item, came today. I unboxed it, and I can't read where this came from. I got my brand new flashlight, and I promptly lost it in here somewhere. I think it fell off the table. I'm going to have to crawl around when I have time. Go to credit union tomorrow. Go pay Capital One, Citibank, Target. And Thursday I go to San Francisco to my doctor, and Friday I go to the foot doctor. Kathy and Patty were here. They each lent me $100 so I can pay down my bill. So this is a little pouch. Not what I thought it would be. No. With a hand thing, and this has little screwdriver bits. And I'm not... What the hell? Hold on. How the hell are you supposed to get them out of here? There's a whole bunch of bits here. But I'm not sure how you would get them out. I guess you got to put them in this whole thing. It's not what I got, the impression I got from the display they gave me. And there's no labeling on any of these bits that I can see. It's just fake leather. And they're all trying to come out. They're all trying to dance like the Rockettes. What the hell? I just moved that one. It looks as if it dropped or fell back. But these are in these holders, and there's no way I can see to get them out to use them. I think I just got ripped off for $8. Isn't like one of those things. Whoop, there goes something that fell on the floor. Well, there goes another one. God, it's all I need. A guy can't see, and now the parts are falling on the floor. Okay, you insert this. Now this is ridiculous. There's no way this goes in this thing. This is not what I was expecting at all. And there's no way that I can see. This turns, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't plunger down to put some kind of suction in there. Well, no, it doesn't stay in there. This says toolkit for computers. And it pulls out right away. So after I find the piece, I'm going to go on eBay later and say this is definitely not as described, because if you were to use this to turn a screw, the minute you try to remove a screw, the thing is going to fall out of this cheapo handle. So this is very aggravating. It has a thing to put it in a little hole, this accordion-like holder thing, but there's nothing to secure it inside this rod. Even though you turn it, it's still loose. It doesn't tighten up. It doesn't lock. It just sits there and does. And there is some kind of groove in here. I can feel it. But it's so loose that I can pull on it and it immediately comes out. So this is a rip-off. I was trying to save a little money. They have an iFixIT kit, which is the good stuff, but it's $60. So I will put this back in, try to find the other ones that fell on the floor. Go get a Ziploc, not a Ziploc, go get a padded bag and tell the seller this is not as described at all, and I will return it and ask for a refund. It's the principle of the thing. This damn thing does not work, and I can't even get it back. I can't even get it to go back into the holder. I'll have to use my lantern light and see if I can find the other one that went on the floor. But this is an absolute joke. So if you see this little 24 thing computer repair screwdriver thing, it's useless.
From bhg.com. Simply
computer stop.
Into the
computer stop. So this is a joke. It won't go back in. Came out. I'm stabbing my finger. So I'm done with this. What a ripoff. Alright, have a good night. I think it's a piece of garbage. So I will contact eBay and say I want a refund. I will return it. It'll cost me more to return it than it is the item. And where those two metallic pieces went to, I have no idea. I'm not looking. Alright. Have a great evening. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Channel number is hit 4,150,459. I will catch you later and be, yes, buyer beware. This is not a happy thing. So Mama Cat's coming in the door. She's on the blue blanket, but I have to go feed Tiny One. Mama Cat, I love you, but I gotta go. Alright, see you later. Have a good night. Bye-bye for now.